Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the magic of Portugal, from the sun-kissed beaches of the Algarve to the historic neighborhoods of Lisbon. I'm excited to share with you why I think Portugal should be at the top of your travel list. We'll delve into its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From stunning landscapes to rich cultural heritage, Portugal has it all. Let's get started. Let's begin our Portuguese adventure in Lisbon, a city that blends old-world charm with modern vibrancy. Stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets of Alfama, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The scent of freshly baked bread and the sounds of fado music fill the air. Hop on the iconic yellow tram 28 through Lisbon's historic neighborhoods. From the Castelo de São Jorge to the Miradouro da Graça, Lisbon offers endless photo opportunities. Don't miss the Geronimo's Monastery, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture. End your day in Bairro Alto, known for its lively bars and restaurants. Savor traditional dishes like bacalhau or indulge in pastéis de nata, Lisbon's iconic custard tarts. From the historical heart of Lisbon, we venture south to the Algarve, Portugal's sun-drenched coastal paradise. With its dramatic cliffs, golden beaches, and turquoise waters, the Algarve is a destination that will steal your heart. Imagine yourself basking in the sun on Praia da Marinha, consistently ranked as one of Europe's most beautiful beaches. Take a boat trip to explore the hidden coves and sea caves that dot the coastline, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the Mediterranean sun. For those seeking a more active getaway, the Algarve is a surfer's paradise. From the beginner-friendly waves of Praia da Rocha to the challenging breaks of Sagres, there's a wave for every skill level. Lagos, with its historic center and lively marina, is a great base for exploring the western Algarve. Further east, Tavira, with its whitewashed houses and Roman bridge, offers a glimpse into the region's Moorish past. As the sun sets, indulge in the freshest seafood imaginable, caught just hours before and grilled to perfection. No trip to Portugal is complete without indulging in its mouth-watering cuisine. From hearty meat dishes to the freshest seafood, Portuguese cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors influenced by its history and geography. Let's start with the star of the show, pastéis de nata. These small custard tarts with their flaky pastry and creamy filling are a national treasure. Be sure to try them warm, dusted with cinnamon for the ultimate Portuguese pastry experience. Seafood lovers will be in heaven. From grilled sardines to arroz de marisco, a creamy seafood rice dish, Portugal's coastal bounty shines through in its cuisine. For a taste of Portugal's hearty meat dishes, try cozido à portuguesa, a traditional boiled dinner with various meats and vegetables, or francesinha, a Portuguese sandwich originally from Porto. Portugal, with its rolling vineyards and sun-drenched hillsides, is a wine lover's paradise. From the world-renowned port wines of the Douro Valley to the crisp Vinho Verde of the north, Portugal offers a diverse range of wines to tantalize your taste buds. Let's begin our wine journey in the Douro Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to some of the most stunning vineyard landscapes in the world. Here, terraced vineyards cling to steep hillsides overlooking the meandering Douro River. It's in this dramatic setting that port wine, Portugal's most famous export, is produced. A visit to a port wine lodge in the Douro Valley is an experience in itself. You'll learn about the history and production of port wine, from the harvesting of the grapes to the aging process in oak barrels. And of course, no visit is complete without a tasting. Vinho Verde, literally green wine, is a light, refreshing wine from the Minho region in northern Portugal. In the Alentejo region, known for its vast plains and hot, dry climate, you'll find full-bodied reds and smooth whites. While Portugal's cities and beaches are undeniably alluring, venturing into its countryside reveals a different side to this enchanting country. Picture yourself strolling through rolling hills dotted with vineyards and olive groves, discovering charming villages where time seems to stand still. In the heart of Portugal lies the Beirut region, a land of granite mountains, deep valleys, and picturesque villages. Here you can explore the Serra da Estrela Natural Park, home to Portugal's highest peak and a haven for hikers and nature lovers. Discover hidden waterfalls, ancient stone villages, and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Further south, the Alentejo region, with its vast plains and cork oak forests, offers a sense of tranquility and solitude. For a truly off-the-beaten-path adventure, head to the Azores, a group of 9 volcanic islands in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. One of the most endearing aspects of traveling in Portugal is the warmth and hospitality of its people. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with genuine smiles and a willingness to help. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal or a glass of wine with locals, even if you've just met. The Portuguese have a deep sense of pride in their country and culture and are always eager to share it with visitors. Whether you're asking for directions, ordering a coffee, or simply striking up a conversation, you'll find the Portuguese to be incredibly welcoming and helpful. Unlike some destinations where tourists can feel like outsiders, in Portugal, you'll feel like an honored guest. One of the best things about traveling in Portugal is that it's an incredibly affordable destination, especially compared to other Western European countries. You'll find that your travel budget goes a long way here, allowing you to enjoy all that Portugal has to offer without breaking the bank. Accommodation in Portugal is surprisingly affordable, especially if you're willing to stay in guest houses or pensaos instead of hotels. These family-run establishments offer a more authentic and often more charming experience than large hotels. Food is another area where you'll find great value for money in Portugal. A hearty meal at a local restaurant called a tasca will only set you back a few euros, and you can easily find delicious pastries and coffee for under €5. Transportation is also very affordable in Portugal. Portugal, perched on the edge of Europe, boasts a history as vast as the Atlantic Ocean before it. From its Roman roots to its golden age of discovery, Portugal's past is etched into its cities and monuments. Our journey begins in Lisbon, where Roman remnants can still be found in the Alfama district. Explore the Roman theater ruins or the archaeological museum's artifacts. In the 15th century, Portugal led the age of discovery. Explorers like Vasco da Gama set sail from Lisbon, charting new sea routes. The Jerónimos Monastery stands as a testament to Portugal's wealth and power. In Sintra, the Pina National Palace blends different architectural styles. Portugal comes alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, music, and traditions during its many festivals, offering a window into the soul of this vibrant country. From religious processions to lively street parties, there's always something to celebrate in Portugal. One of the most iconic Portuguese festivals is Festa de São João, or the Feast of St. John, celebrated on June 23rd, particularly in Porto. The city comes alive with bonfires, street concerts, and a tradition of playfully hitting each other with plastic hammers and leeks. For a truly unique experience, time your visit to coincide with Carnival, Portugal's version of Mardi Gras. While not as widely known as its Brazilian counterpart, Carnival in Portugal is a time for colorful parades, elaborate costumes, and street parties. The town of Torres Vedras, north of Lisbon, is known for its satirical carnival celebrations. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, leading up to Easter, is a time for solemn processions and religious ceremonies. Throughout the year, you'll find local festivals celebrating everything from local produce to religious figures. While Portugal may be known for its laid-back atmosphere and relaxed pace of life, it also offers plenty of opportunities for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. From surfing world-class waves to hiking rugged mountain trails, Portugal will ignite your adventurous spirit. Let's start with surfing, one of Portugal's most popular activities. With its long Atlantic coastline, Portugal is a surfer's paradise, offering consistent waves year-round. Nazaré, a small fishing village north of Lisbon, is home to some of the biggest waves in the world, attracting big-wave surfers from around the globe. For those who prefer to keep their feet on solid ground, Portugal offers incredible hiking opportunities. The Sintra Cascais Natural Park, just west of Lisbon, offers a network of trails through forests, along coastal cliffs and past hidden beaches. Well, there you have it. 10 compelling reasons why Portugal should be your next travel destination. From the historical charm of Lisbon to the sun-kissed beaches of the Algarve, from the delicious cuisine to the warm hospitality of its people, Portugal has something to offer every type of traveler. I hope this video has inspired you to add Portugal to your travel bucket list. Until next time, happy travels. See you in the next adventure.